Straight up, it's pouring down rain. Big raindrops, look at the ground. And people is running. People is running like this dude right here, Lynn Hayes. And now everyone's scattering, look. Everyone's scattering because of the rain. But you know what I'm saying? The GoPro is waterproof. I'm out here watching people run for it. I'm watching people run for it. Look at it. Oh, we got... Help us. Help us. It's raining. There he goes. It's raining. Look at the raindrops in the headlights. Look at the raindrops. They're big as grapes. I just enjoy watching people scatter. It's got a raindrop in my eye. Look at everybody taking cover. GoPro's waterproof. GoPro needs a sponsor, this one. Bourbon Street, raining. Everybody dipping. I'm in the middle of the street. You saw a lightning flash. This place was just crowded. And now it's pouring down rain. Everyone running for it. Everybody running for it. But you know what? We don't get rain in California, so I'm gonna enjoy it. It's like I said, hey, clear the streets, and they cleared them. It's unbelievable. Bourbon Street, clear the streets, let there be rain. Here it goes. Everybody running for it. Camera. Your camera? Yeah.
What's up, man? Coming to you live from Bourbon Street. Where you at, buddy? That's my job.
It's raining, people are clearing the way. This is when you need that fireman, Scott O'Brien, to come down here. Clear out these streets. It's raining. I don't see anybody out here too wasted to be in the rain. News flare asking about summertime fun. Beat this one. Beat this one on News Flare. Beat this. In the rain. It's still there. In the rain. I might have it twisted. It's raining. Lucky Dog. Brought to you by Lucky Dog. I might have it twisted. It's raining. People are still partying. I gotta say, I am impressed. New Orleans, Louisiana, next to Bama. Go see Jambalaya. Oh. Look at that. Rain, the streets parted. I'm in the rain. I'm not singing in it, but I'm in it. He almost hit me. Evacuating. She's still dancing. I think my man just gave her a field spray. Shouts out to Cheese and Larry Flint right there. Cheese. That guy wouldn't get out of Lucky Dog way. Trying to record it.
There was a lightning strike at one point.
The flashing lights. Later, Bourbon Street. In the rain. In the rain. Summertime fun. News flare. You can't beat it. There's no way you could beat this one.